Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I had a question asked of me about Amazon warehouse. What if the item doesn't sell, and do I have to pay for it to be shipped back to me? I'll let you know. So I have an item at the Amazon warehouse, and it's just been sitting there, and I've lowered the price, and I've finally gotten to the point where if I lower the price anymore, I'm actually going to be paying Amazon money to even sell it. So I don't want to leave it at the warehouse because I'm already paying Amazon fees just to house it, and it's not become cost effective for me to even have it there. So what if an item doesn't sell? How do I even get it back? The easiest way is to go online, go to your Amazon seller account, and start a removal request. And so I'll add some screenshots to this video just to give you an idea of what it's supposed to look like. But you're going to go to your inventory, you're going to look up that specific item, and then you're going to request a removal, put in the quantity you want to remove. So if you've got 10 there and you want to remove all 10, then you put the 10 in there. And then you can request one of two things to happen to that item. You can click destroy, which costs 15 cents per item. Okay, so if you have 10 items there, it's going to cost you $1.50 to destroy all 10 of those. They're no longer on your account, and you're not being paying the storage fees. But if you want them to be sent back to you, let's say you're going to put them on eBay, or you're going to sell, if it's clothing, you're going to sell it on Poshmark, or you're going to do a garage sale, or you're going to give it away. So if you have any of those other options you want it to be sent back to you, then all you have to do is, just like before, you look up the item in the inventory, and then you click the return to you item, and they'll actually return it to you for 50 cents for every item. So like I said, if you have those $10, then it's going to be $5 to get it all shipped back to you. And so that's the way to get it out of the warehouse, is coming back to you and for you to be able to look at it. Now, there are times where I get customer returns and the customer says that it's damaged, and so Amazon has it listed as unfulfillable. Well, it's still sitting in the warehouse and I'm still paying fees. So a lot of times I'll have those returned to me, because 50% of the time the customer just clicked a, hey, it's damaged, and it's really, there's no problem, it's never even been opened, it's still in brand new condition. And so a lot of times I'll resend that back into Amazon. Just be very, very careful that it has not been opened, because if you send something damaged back into Amazon, it really, really goes a negative against your account, and the last thing you want to do is get banned from Amazon because you're sending in inappropriate products. So if you want something back from the warehouse, you just have to request a removal order. So I'll throw some screenshots up on the screen for you, and hopefully that'll be helpful for you. And if you have any other questions, please comment below. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. I usually try to put a video out every single day to give you tips and tricks on reselling. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. If you are looking for resources to help you resell, just click the eBay link below to purchase my Hooked on Pickin Reseller program, which I created from my 10 years of experience reselling. It has checklist cards for Amazon, eBay, and Goodwill. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips, items, and strategies listed by department. The eBay card has a 6-step guide for reselling, and the Amazon card has a 6-step guide for reselling. They are fully laminated so they can easily go anywhere without being ruined. These are a great resource to buy. Just click below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.